What are you doing here? No. No, I told you you cannot be in here. No.
Can we just talk?
No, we can't talk.
This is ridiculous.
You're not welcome here. No.
This is my house.
What you did is unbelievable.
What did I do?
What do you mean, what do you do? Take the kids on a Tinder date?
It was a friend.
No, that is not a friend. You can't bullshit me.
I'm cheating. I'm not. You are. Are you not talking to me today? I feel like, oh, sorry, baby. I feel like you barely said 2 words to me since I walked in the door a little bit ago. What's going on? You good?
I was just trying to figure out why your location was off today.
My location's always on. Must have glitched or something. How many times did you check it?
Are you putting it on YouTube? Are you putting it on YouTube?
Get off the bike.
What do you gain from it?
Get off the bike.
Do you know what?
Get off the bike.
And what?
Get off the bike.
And what are you going to do?
I'll move you.
What do you mean?
I'll move you.
So he's allowed to... Oh, what? Are you joking? He's allowed to do that?
Yes, I am. Behave better. Behave better and it won't happen, will it? Do you want a selfie? Put that on YouTube, you get some views on it as well if you do that.
The fucking dirty little scumbag. Yeah, making money off people's misery. And you think you're fucking...
Well, if you didn't behave like that, well, not you, but if they didn't behave like that.
Behave like what?
If they didn't behave like that.
How are you behaving? Do you think you're a little vigilante? Who the fuck?
Oh, what, sorry?
Oh, so you justify yourself for what? Videoing people's misery and put it on YouTube, making money off people.
Wait a minute.
Yeah?
What is it you're actually angry at?
She's making a scene in public, but the instant she notices a camera recording her, her attitude shifts completely. It's not because anyone threatened or touched her. It's because her actions are now being documented. The surprising part is that she genuinely believes she's the one in the right.
Hit hard enough to be with Amber Heard. Talk to you about something.
What?
Because I'm sure you've noticed, like, I've been, like, on my phone a lot recently and stuff. Tomorrow, I'm going to need you to drop me off at the airport, because leaving you for Jason Momoa. We've been DMing. He slid into my DMs and like things are at that point where it's like getting serious. So, you know how you got really upset that I was on Tinder? Well, he saw my Tinder and ended up finding me on Instagram.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna go visit him in LA and see if, like, what I feel for him is true.
Be their father because you want them to live under a roof with a mother and a father when they've had that from the beginning.
Okay, but things have obviously changed.
You changed them. I didn't change anything. You did it. This is you.
I'm not blaming you. I'm not saying that you did. I'm just proposing a solution to the problem right now. And I feel like
there is no problem. There is no solution because there is no problem. You live with the kids. They live with you and they live with this prick.
Yes,
and
who should be their father?
And he does not need to legally be their father. I am their father.
I don't think you're allowed on the road.
What's that?
I don't think you're allowed on the road.
I'm trying to go home.
You're not supposed to be on the road.
How am I supposed to go home now?
Why aren't you riding your bike in your yard?
I don't have a big yard.
I don't care. You're not supposed to be on the road. I don't understand why your parents even buy you a motorcycle when you're not allowed to ride it on the road.
You can talk to my parents. Why do you want to know?
Well, because they're not supposed to be here, but letting you ride on the road. Are they from another country? Because you don't go to North Rockland school system?
Nope.
No? Because I think your face will be on Facebook. I think your parents probably have one. I think the police have one. And I think that now you'll be on there saying that, look, you're on Buckberg riding illegally on this road. You said your parents they don't have a yard big enough for you to ride this illegal bicycle that has no lights, license plate. You're not even wearing leathers. Is that what you're saying to me? You don't seem to care?
Not really.
You don't care. And your parents don't care? And what's your name?
You don't have to know.
I don't have to know your name because you know that you're illegal riding on the road. You're cool on these things? Get yourself a car. Get yourself a job. That's right. You don't need a job because your parents pay for everything.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. That your parents are going to die and then they can't support you anymore? I don't believe that you're 16 because if you were 16, you'd be in a car with a girl. Not on this road.
Well, you just pick. You just brought the pick.
I'm so glad this video is showing how much you like to pick at people. You could have just stayed in the garage where you spend your entire life. Let me do my walkthrough. But no, you have to pick and dig every single time. You can't just let me do a walkthrough and move on.
You move on.
I'll be here next week too.
You move on.
No, I already have, but I will come here every week.
Uh-huh.
You lost the pit. You lost the pit.
You come here just to harass.
No, I do not. I come
Yes.
here because I have to legally stay.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You choose to.
Make sure you let people know that. But this
You choose to.
video, it's just you picking at people.
Okay.
It's what you do. You're evil.
Yep. Bye. Have a good day.
After being gone for years, the ex-wife suddenly returns to film the house, insisting she has every legal right to do it. But it's clear she hasn't truly moved on. She's back looking for another confrontation. Instead of walking away, she keeps recording, fully aware of what she's trying to accomplish.
I'm going to ask you to turn that off now.
Yeah,
I'm going to ask you to turn that off for a
I'm
second.
gonna ask you not to.
Well, I'm
get
going to
too
call the
close.
police because you're violating HEPA standing sitting
Oh,
here.
really? What, do you work here?
No, sir.
Okay, then get
But
the hell
I'm
out of
gonna
my
call
way.
the police,
You go
okay?
right ahead.
Little
Karen.
garbage. Karen?
Trailer trash.
Seriously?
Trailer trash Karen.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Look at you. You're a loser. Anybody stands out with a little...
What's that on your mouth?
You're a loser.
Oh, okay.
You're a loser.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Excuse me?
Welcome to America. You don't
You're
like
not even a citizen.
you don't like
You're one of those
constitutional rights in this country?
to get the-
You don't like constitutional rights?
You're
Get out of
not
my
gonna crawl
country.
across the border?
Get out of my country. All right. See, I knew she was okay with it. I knew she was okay with it. See? Truth for control. Another control freak.
We meant you wouldn't leave.
You wouldn't get on the bus.
I did though.
I walked yourself up there. You would not get on the bus.
Did you leave?
She knocked this out. She done broke this window.
I never.
Yes, she did.
You like to take me out of it.
Why are you back?
I'm telling you, I went out and talked with him.
Okay, but they don't want you here.
My husband.
That's your husband?
No, I'm not married to her.
Okay.
Really, you're not married to me?
No, we ain't married.
Y'all been dating about 3 months.
3 months.
They don't want you here, right? That's what we said last time.
She's not gonna leave unless you take her somewhere.
You want to go to the Haven?
Yeah.
Well, I'm talking to you, and I've already been out here once, so we're going somewhere. So do you want to go to the hospital or the Haven? Which one? Because I'm not coming out here a third time. No, you're getting in the car and we're going somewhere. Because you're drunk, so I can't just let you walk away. I can smell it from here.
Why are you doing that?
Stop screaming. So where do you want to go? What's your name?
I don't have a name.
You do have a name. What's
No,
it?
I don't. Look me up. I'm trying to be corny, but listen, I don't give a fuck.
What?
I don't give a fuck.
About what? Why are you crying?
Why am I crying?
Look, you are not in any
You're
trouble.
so cute, but listen, why would you want to tell me?
I can't understand what you're saying.
You can't. I know.
So take a deep breath. Stop screaming. Stop screaming. Take a deep breath for me, okay? You can. Look, I understand that you're upset, and whatever's going on between you two, that's between you two. But they do not want you here.
She angrily demands that someone stop filming, claiming the recording violates HIPAA, and threatening to call the police if it continues. When she is told that the person recording does not even work there, she immediately turns hostile and starts hurling insults, calling him names. The cameraman stays calm and reminds her that recording in public is protected by constitutional rights, but she only gets more irritated and snaps at him, making it clear her anger is boiling over. In a separate confrontation, officers are called after a woman returns to a property where she is no longer welcome. She denies breaking a window and insists that she only came back to talk to a man who lives there.